Hey guys, Virginia here with Mark. So we're going to go through a regular household electrical box and some of the things you could cut out of it to make a little bit more money on your scrap. So Mark, tell me a little bit about how we could cut out some of these circuit breakers and how they should be sorted from everything else.
So you could cut the breakers right here. So you have a circuit breaker right here.
Okay, perfect. And what about those wires that you just cut? What are those going to be graded as?
So those are THHN, or you could even strip it. Make a little bit more money if you strip it.
So that's a single strand of bare braid on the inside there?
Yes, that's correct.
Okay, and what other kind of wires are we going to find inside this?
And you have your little bit of Romex in here, a little bit of aluminum wire.
Take a look at that. Let's see. Here's the Romex. You can see that. And here's the aluminum. If you have a way of stripping it easily, it makes sense, but you can see that there's a lot of layers of insulation there, so it might be a little difficult. Romex obviously would be a little bit more profitable for you to strip because of the copper inside, but also it's a little bit more difficult. But definitely, what do you say with these strands of THN? We strip those, right?
Yes, that's correct. You could strip it.
Okay, great. And how else can we separate this? Is there any more money to be had here?
No, that as long as you separate the breakers and the wire, take out the much wire you can.
Okay.
That should be it.
And we see another piece of aluminum wire right there too.
Right,
that might be a little easier to strip too, if you have an easy way of doing it. Okay, great. Thanks so much for your help, Mark.
No problem.